Hello there. So how to add your friends and play with them with Zenless Zone Zero. Now the first thing you want to know right now is you have to finish the campaign. After finishing the campaign, you will unlock the feature where you can play with your friends. And let's go to the tutorial right now. So step number 1 is finish the prologue, or they call it the campaign. You must finish the main tutorial in which the internet access, usually around level 5 or 6. That will unlock your social features. Step number 2 will be open the friends menu. Tap on your phone icon or your PC on the bottom right section, because before it's not available for your PC, right now it's available, as well as for Xbox and consoles. Now step number 3, add a friend. Enter the friend's UID or user's ID which you can find on their profile. Tap search and send requests. Once that friend is accepted your invite, you can now play together as a co-op. Open the co-op menu on your phone or desktop or console, invite your friend to join your session, and select missions or events available for multiplayer, and so on and so forth.